Ting Hao. Welcome. I am Master Mao and I am here to give some predictions for the auspicious Year of the Wooden Ship for you based on your birth sign. First, we will talk about those born in the Year of the Rat. The Year of the Rat will have some fortune this year, unlike last year, which was a challenging year for them. However, for them to have good health, they must look away or avoid sticky things like tikoy, Elmer's glue, rugby, and your cousin's sipon. For those born in the Year of the Ox, this will be a very challenging year because the ox and the sheep are not really friends because they always are making away against the food in the farm because they eat the same thing. But anyway, to get some luck in this year, you must always watch games of Barako Bull. Is that right, Justin? Now, we go to the Year of the Tiger. The Year of a Tiger will have a very interesting year, especially when it comes to love life. They will have many prospects, especially the Cougar and the Puma or the Puma Patol. And finally, for the Year of the Rabbit. The Year of the Rabbit and the sheep, they are allies. They are allies because they are cute and furry. That's why you will have much fortune in work, especially if you will make pa-cute to your boss and co-worker. That's it all for now. I will be back later.
Thank you, Master Mao. Talaga natuwa ako ng Year of the Rabbit. Ako, so kailangan ko magpa-cute sa mga boss at mga coworkers. Hay! At saka sa mga Year of the Rat, huwag kayo mag-rugby. Bad yun. Bad luck yun. So, ano pa nga ba sa Year of the Ox, kailangan manood ng Barako Ball. Oh, yun na ang ating mga fortune. Kaya talagang kailangan tutukan natin si Master Mao. At ito na, we have another special guest na kailangan natin kilalanin pa. The NCAA reporter, the entrepreneur, the Radyo 5 PBA anchor, Miss Denise Tian.
Wow! Ang daming fans.
Oo nga, ang dami mong fans. Ano may crush sa'yo?
Alam ko na yun.
That's why we like
Haba
Denise
ng
game
hair.
na game. Okay, so Denise, na-meet kita, active days pa tayo
Yes,
bago tayo pumunta sa Sports 5. So I believe that was WNCA. Share with us exactly how everything started for you becoming a sports broadcaster.
Well, actually, I was just doing my own thing. And then I was talking to isa na sa ating mga kapatid, si James Velasquez. And then he asked me if I could analyze for a beach volleyball game.
Ito
So, 20, ayan.
Subic.
So, Subic yan. Noong Valentine's, kasama ko si Apple.
Yes.
So, noong 2013, that's when it all started. And then they started assigning me to different sports.
Oh, Chiki.
So, yeah, with Chiki, I was doing volleyball naman. That was in Araneta. Tapos, last season of NCAA basketball, nasama na rin ako. So, I'm a courtside reporter na din doon. Okay, yeah.
Pero aside from that, mention din ni Mara kanina, volleyball player ka noon para sa mga hindi nakaabot, hindi ka naabutan. Nako, bring back to us dun sa memory nung naglalaro ka pa. Describe mo naman sa amin.
Well, what do you want to know? Well,
School, position.
Okay. I used to play volleyball, malamang, sabi mo. Volleyball for UST. Setter ako doon. I was converted. I used to be a middle hitter. Tapos,
Setter?
yes.
Ang tangkad mong setter.
Tapos, one-hand toss. Ayan, may sinasabi si
Ikaw bang...
Sinasenyasan niya ako. Play back the video, please. Walang video.
Ano ba itong one-hand toss? Nakilala ka ba dahil sa yung one-hand tossing?
No naman. It's just a certain skill na normally ginagawa ng much more, paano ko ba sasabihin to ng hindi masyadong experience.
Kakainis. Much more experience. Okay.
Okay, na setter. So, yun.
And of course, ngayon, you are also into events. So, paano mo na mabalance? I mean, like, I see your Instagram, you're always at the beach.
Yeah.
Parang you like to travel as well. How do you manage to balance all of your
Well,
jobs?
I think it's a matter of just knowing what you want and making time for it. Kasi ako, alam ko, I do a lot of things. I work for, of course, Sports 5. I have my own thing. I have my business. And then I'm such a beach bum. Parang, pag nag-focus ka kasi sa one thing lang, mababurn out ka. So you really have to make time for it. Hindi naman, parang, kunyari ngayon, I'm here. nag-guest ako sa inyo, syempre mamaya lalabas na tayo. Para isang biyahehan na, di ba?
Kung saan yan malalaman, abangan nyo kami mamaya lamang. Pero let's talk about na ngayon.
Na-notice ko kasi, like, parang most Chinese people have their business, Are both your parents Chinese? Pure blood?
No. Actually, I don't even know how to speak na. I tried learning on my own back when I was like 11 or 12. Kaya lang, since wala akong kausap, hindi ko na, that's a picture of my parents in Hong Kong. Every year, we're always on Hong Kong.
You look like both of them combined. Perfect,
So, yeah, that's my mom and that's my dad. That's me kasi Chinese. My dad has Chinese blood, pero konti na lang. I think his grandfather's yung pure Chinese pa.
So, mga siguro 1/8 na lang yung natira sa'yo. But then,
I'd like to say latak na lang.
lahat na lang. Pero ngayon nakikita ko lang, meron kang Chinese tattoo sa yung tagiliran.
Yes.
So, pwede natin itong i-share. Medyo pakita na.
What does
Ayan.
that mean?
What does it mean?
Kailangan yung medyo angulo, ha?
Ayan.
Ayan. Oh, what does it mean?
What does it mean?
Isa pa
Pakita.
Tatayo.
Yung style nyo, ha? Ang style nyo.
Ayan.
Okay. Sexy!
Benny style.
What does that mean?
It means tears cannot put out fire.
Ay, ang
Oh
lalim.
my God, Denise! I like that.
Ang deep ko.
Why did you
story
choose that?
behind it?
It's just because I grew up around very strong people. My mom and my dad, parang I grew up na pag may sakit, okay lang kasi meron namang gamot. Pag may problema, may solusyon.
Yeah.
So parang you don't have to dwell on anything. You just have to do something about it. Yun.
Denise, I really love what you're saying. You know what? I'm gonna Twitter that later. Tears cannot put out fire. Mamaya naman, alam mo ba kung kanina sila Carla at si Justin, they put tikoy in their mouth. Denise naman, bibigyan din natin siya something to put in her mouth. Malalaman natin yan sa magbabalik ng On Cam.